I'm Thomas Hunt from the World Crypto Network, and here are today's Bitcoin headlines. Bitcoin now buys 600 barrels of crude oil as prices fall below zero. William Suberg, writing in Cointelegraph. The black gold tanks to lows almost unseen since WTI contracts began in 1983, while Bitcoin remains broadly steady at $7,000. A single Bitcoin now buys over 600 barrels of crude oil in an unprecedented sell-off takes BTC purchasing power sky high. According to data from monitoring resources including Bloomberg, on April 20th, futures for a barrel of WTI expiring in May shed 36% on the day. Bitcoin holds 7K as oil turns back the clock to 1983. At press time, the contracts were worth $11.37, heading for their lowest since inception back in 1983. Despite attempts to cut supply, it appears oil markets may well fulfill the prophecy of Bitcoin proponents and fall to $10 a barrel or lower. As Cointelegraph reported, even President Donald Trump forecast a barrel changing hands for $9, at the time seemingly unfazed by the prospect. At the same time, the gap between May and June futures has widened, indicating that despite the rout, belief remains that a major bounce back will occur. That wasn't enough to avoid some unlikely scenes elsewhere in the oil market. On Monday, Western Canadian Select even managed to break into negative prices. Even negative oil, because shutting down production is more expensive than giving it away. Bitcoin price analyst Plan B summarized. $1, 1 ETH, or 15 barrels of crude. There was an air of amusement amongst Bitcoiners as prices dropped, with BTC/USD remaining broadly steady at $7,000. How long can you run an Antminer S9 with 1 barrel of crude oil? Casa Hodl co-founder Jameson Lopp mused on Twitter. Others noted that even a single Ether, $180, bought over 15 barrels of WTI, while the black gold's volatility was plain to see compared to other macro assets. Year to date, WTI is down 64%. Bitcoin has been broadly indifferent to the oil markets in recent weeks, more closely tracking movements in major stock markets. Earlier, Cointelegraph published 5 key factors likely to influence Bitcoin's price performance this week. This has been Bitcoin now buys 600 barrels of crude oil as prices fall below zero, by William Suberg, writing in Cointelegraph on Bitcoin headlines. My name is Thomas Hunt. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the World Crypto Network.